Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing the VEVOR Walk-Behind Hand-Push Floor Sweeper, an affordable manual sweeper that promises easy cleaning without electricity. We put it to work in different settings to see if it's worth it. The sweeper is lightweight and easy to maneuver. It does a good job picking up dust, leaves, and small debris. Especially on flat surfaces like garages, patios, and warehouses. We appreciated that it doesn't require power or batteries, making it eco-friendly and cost-efficient. The pros are that it's very budget-friendly, doesn't require fuel or electricity, and is lightweight enough for daily use. The cons are that it struggles with larger debris, doesn't work well on uneven surfaces, and the build quality feels a bit flimsy, like it may not last for heavy-duty cleaning over time. Overall, the VEVOR Walk-Behind Floor Sweeper is a solid budget option for light cleaning, but if you want industrial-level durability, you'll need to spend more on higher-end equipment. For casual users, it does the job at a low price. This has been how to really be keeping smart and simple and scam-free.